morning all. Am I audible? And the screen is visible or not? Just let me know in the chat box. Okay, fine. So in last lecture, we have seen the concept of what? 0 to 12, right? We have seen the example in the interval of 0 to 12. And today we are going to see the concept of what? Both the continuous and discontinuous in what? Minus L to L, fine. But I think in last lecture I have given one example, that is what? Fx equal to pi and another discontinuous function, right? Pi 2 minus x, right? In the interval of what? 0 to 12, fine. So I think we have calculate A0 for that, right? And I have asked you to calculate AN and BN. The example is this, and I think we have not calculated AN and BN. So anyone who have calculated that AN and BN for this example, just raise your hand quickly. Yeah, Niket. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the AN?
1 upon n square pi into minus 1 plus minus 1 raised to n.
Just a minute, I'll write down. Yeah. AN equal to
1 upon n square pi
1 upon n square pi, yes.
into minus 1 plus minus 1 raised to n.
Minus 1 plus minus 1 raised to n.
Yes, ma'am.
This is na? Okay,
Huh.
fine. Yeah, okay. So what it can be, okay, you can write down minus 1 raised to n first and then minus 1, that is also okay, fine. So just will, any other answer for this question? Anyone? Anyone is getting other answer? Or a same one? Okay, fine. We'll cross check it. Yes. An equal to 1 upon n square pi, right? Minus 1 raised to n, that I have written first. Normally we are writing in this way, minus 1. Fine. So that is the thing here. Now Bn. Answer for Bn. Yes, Vinay. 45 number Vinay. Answer for Bn. Bn. For the same question. Yeah, Vinay, you can unmute yourself. Vinay Soni, 45 number. Okay, 23 Vanch. Fine. 23 Vanch. Unmute yourself.
Yes,
Vanch,
ma'am.
Vanch. Yeah,
Minus 2 into minus 1 raised to n plus 1 upon n
just a minute. Minus 2
into minus 1 raised to n bracket
minus 1 raised to n. Okay.
plus 1 upon n
Plus 1. Here plus 1.
upon n.
Is it? Is it right?
Upon n, yes.
Okay. Any other answer? Vinay, 45 number. Unmute yourself. 45 number. Are you here? Okay, fine. Bn. Just let me know in the chat box. Is it correct or not? Bn, Bn. Okay, many are having other than this answer. Okay. We'll cross check it, right? Okay, what you are having doubt? One student has written, just raise your hand. Who are having doubt, just raise your hand. Yeah, Dev Patel.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
if there is a not odd even function sum
Fine. Okay.
and there is a limit of minus pi to pi,
Yeah.
then in cos if we apply minus pi, then we have to take even function as a minus pi, or we have to take a minus out.
See, if you are considering the interval minus pi to pi, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You are not going in an odd even way, so just you have to go in a simple way, right? As we are going for the normal sum.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, there is no. So what happen if we are applying odd even? No? Then we are taking
Yes,
what?
ma'am.
0 to 2l. We are considering 0 to 2 pi like
2
that,
pi.
right? 2 into, yeah.
Yes,
So you are not going in that way. Just simply whatever the basic equation of Fourier is there, in that you have
yes,
applied. And minus pi to pi calculate and just cross check your answer, right? So it will work.
yes, ma'am.
Just take
But ma'am, I have
yeah.
doubt in
Hmm.
if we put cos minus pi.
Cos minus pi. Okay.
Okay, then we have to take minus outside, or cos minus pi equal to only write 1, because cos minus cos is even function. So
See, cos of minus something. That is what? Because if the pi is here, right? As an angle you
yes,
are
ma'am.
considering. So what happens?
Yes.
Even. So cos pi equal to cos of minus pi equal to what? Cos pi.
Okay.
Fine. So in that way you can consider.
Okay. Got
Okay.
it, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, fine. Just cross check it. Calculate once this type
Okay.
of example and cross check it. Fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine. You can mute. Okay, so Bn. Bn is what I have calculated. That is the correct one. Just I have write one before that, right? So this is one. Those who are saying 1 upon n, that was the wrong answer for Bn, right? Just calculate it or take a screenshot of this. I have calculated. See, fx sin x. So you have to apply the general formula and it will be what? Discontinuous function. So make sure whenever discontinuous function is there, you have to divide it into two terms. One is 0 to 1 and second one is 1 to 2. So please make a practice of these sums. There are so many sums are given in a book. Okay, purchase the whatever we have given the book name and just start practicing. Fine. So this is the thing. So you'll get what? 1 minus 2 into minus 1 raised to n upon n. That is our Bn. And just put, okay, now one thing you have to remember, after calculating A0, An and Bn, you have to write down the Fourier series equation. Fine. At last you have to write down this. That is what? Here it's A0 plus. The equation is An sigma the sigma n equal to 1 to infinity an cos nx. This type of thing is there. But see, if you are writing this, the value of an, so in that some are in terms of n and some are not. So whatever constants are there, just take it outside and then apply the sigma. Fine. N cos nx, that is n pi x, that is as it is. Fine. Same for the bn. So that is compulsory. You have to write what? The Fourier series after calculating this. Fine. Is there any problem in audio or am I audible? Let me check once, right? Okay. Is it audible clearly, no? Okay, fine. Maybe your side some problem is there. Okay, okay, fine. Okay, so this is about what? All the things 0 to 2l. Fine. Now next we'll move to the minus L to L. Okay, minus L to L. So what is the meaning of here minus L to L? There is some integer is given. Fine. There is some integer is given. For example, minus 1 to 1, minus 5 to 5, anything can be that. Okay, just you have to compare it with what we have seen, that is minus pi to pi. Fine, minus pi to pi also we have covered, and in that one we have seen odd even. So obviously that concept we can apply here also, right? For minus L to L, that is same as minus pi to pi, but instead of that my pi, we have to consider some constant, fine. So first we'll go with the simple example. That means again there are two way, right? One is what? Continuous and discontinuous. And in both, we can go for which concept? Odd and even. Fine. So first we are not applying odd even concept, right? One example we'll do without odd even. Then we'll do what? Odd function one and one function is even, and in both continuous and discontinuous. Fine. So this is fx equal to x and equal to 2. Obviously it's having two values. Fine. So what happened? And the minus 1 to 1. So discontinuous function, your interval is minus 1 to 1, obviously. So first we need to find out L. So how you are going to find out the L? Because previously it is given in terms of what? 0 to 2L. So whatever last we have given, that we'll consider as a 2L. But here it's a what? Discontinuous and minus L to L. So how we are going to calculate the L? So for that 2L. So minus 1 to 1. So obviously this is 2 interval, right? Minus 1 to 0, 1 interval, and 0 to 1, that is second interval. Fine. So total we are having 2 intervals, right? So we can write what? 2L equal to 2. And if you are not getting this concept, so simple, whatever it is given here, that is what? 1 minus the first starting limit, or we can say. So you will get 2. Suppose you are having minus 5 to 5. So your 2L become 10. Simply this minus this. So you will get your 2L. Clear? Every time you have to do this only. So simple way is this. Remember in that way. So 2L equal to L. So my L equal to 1. Is there any doubt here? Up to this, how to calculate L in this type of example? Minus L to L. Is there any doubt? Any student? Okay, fine. So we'll move on for the Fourier series. So f of x equal to a0 plus, so the same equation, right? Sigma n equal to 1 to infinity an. We are not applying odd even concept right now. Okay, cos n pi x by L. Okay, let me erase this all the things. Fine. So what happened here? The first term will be a0, then second will be an, same like, but the difference is what? Here we are writing cos n pi x by L. That is important, and that you know we have done in 0 to 2L also, right? Plus sigma n equal to 1 to infinity bn. With bn, the sign term will be there, sin n pi x divided by L. Now put the L equal to 1 into this equation, right? So what happened? I'll write down in this only. So here your L become 1, so no need to write this, right? So this is your equation. Now for the next step, obviously you need to find out A0, AN and BN. So A0. The equation for A0 in that one is what? 1 upon 2L integration minus L to L fx dx. If you are applying odd even concept, so here it will be 0 to L, but here we are not applying, so minus L to L. Fine. Now we'll put the value of L. So L is 1, so it is obviously 1 by 2 minus L to L. Now it is what? Okay, first I'll write down minus 1 to 1 fx dx. But our function is discontinuous. That means in minus 1 to 1 interval, it's having two value, x and 2. So we have to write separately. Fine. So first is what? Integration minus 1 to 0 fx dx. Okay, I'll write fx directly. If any doubt, na, just raise your hand or write into the chat box. Okay, I'll write fx directly. That is what? X. In first interval x plus dx, sorry, plus minus 1 to 0 to 1 fx. So fx is 2 dx. Solve it quickly. just the integration of this simple thing x, that integration is x square by 2. Fine, this is okay. Just calculate it quickly. X square by 2, and the limit is what? 0 to 1 plus 2x. Fine. And sorry, here it's a minus 1 to 0. Yeah, minus 1 to 0 and 0 to 1. Yeah, write down the answer into chat box quickly. It will be easy. 3 by 2, 3 by 4. Why 3 by 2 answer? You have to consider 1 by 2 constant, right? 1 by 2 you have to consider. Okay. Fine. So answer is 3 by 4. Simple, right? Just do it yourself. That means just simplify this, and if any doubt na, just you can ask, right? After also, okay, you just practice this sum at home and you can ask. So A0 is what? 3 by 4. Clear? Or a doubt? A0 3 by 4. Okay, AN. AN for the same example, AN equal to 1 upon L minus L to L. Fine. Fx with AN, obviously the cos term will goes, right? Cos n pi x by L dx. Just put this L equal to 1, so no need to write down this. Now minus 1 to 1. Fine. Your fx is different. Fine. Fx is what? X and 2. So either you can write down directly that step, or you can go with, I'll write only fx and cos n pi x. L is 1, so no need to write that. Fine. Now, this is divided into two parts. So write down in that way. So integration for 0 to 1, at that time you are having what? X. So x into cos n pi x dx. Here you have to apply the general rule of integration, right? Sorry, here minus 1 to 0. That was the mistake. Right? Yeah. Minus 1 to 0, and here it's obviously 0 to 1. At that time it is 2. Fx is what? 2. So 2 cos n pi x. Now general rule for this separately and for this, right? So sorry, this is 2 constant, so no need to apply general rule here. Okay, I want one student for this general rule for first integration. Quickly raise your hand. Yeah, Trupti. Trupti?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
X into
Okay, first term as it is x. Fine. Now cos n pi x.
sin n pi x by n pi.
Okay, sin n pi x by n pi. Okay. Okay. Minus. Fine.
Minus cos n pi x by
First
in
term.
bracket.
See, whenever you are writing now, make the practice of first term and second term. You and we both. So one,
Okay.
right? Yeah. Because see, if this is the simple one, but if you are having x cube or something like that, now then you'll make a mistake. That's why make a practice of that, right? Fine. Okay.
In
Yeah.
bracket minus
Okay. Sine. So minus cos n pi x.
by
Yeah.
n pi
Okay. Upon.
by n pi
Sorry. Yeah. Yeah. By n pi.
square.
Whole square or only pi square?
N pi whole square.
Yeah, so I'll write what? N square pi square. Okay, yesterday, not yesterday, in last lecture, someone is having in this problem, right? So is it clear? I think I have not remember the name of student, but someone is having problem in this, right? When you are going to do the integration of that consecutive integration, so if third term will be there, it's obviously n cube pi cube. Fine. So don't forget that you are doing integration of this term directly. So n pi is that is supposed to be considered by you. Fine. Okay. Okay. The next term. Next term. Okay. Limit. Don't forget to put the limit, right? Okay, -1 to 0. Next term, who is supposed to be? Yeah, Niket. Niket. Yeah, that is simple one, right? I'll write plus. Yeah, Niket, you can unmute yourself. You are not audible. Niket. Okay, maybe you are having some problem.
2 sine n pi x
Fine.
upon n pi.
2 sine, okay. Sorry, 2 sine n pi x upon n pi.
Pi.
Now, anything else?
0 to 1.
Yeah, don't forget to put the limit, right? 0 to 1. Now, okay, wait. Simplification of this. It's a simple one, right? See,
Yes, ma'am.
upper limit 0. So, first term will become 0.
0, yes.
Yeah, so what about
Cos,
this?
ze-
Minus
cos
minus
0
will become plus. Yes.
plus, yes, ma'am. Cos 0 upon n square pi square
Okay, fine. Yeah.
minus cos n pi n square pi square.
Okay.
Last one is also 0.
Yeah, last one is also 0 because it's having sign. And sine
Yes, ma'am.
n pi and sine 0 both are 0. So this
0,
term,
yes.
upper and lower limit of this term will be 0. So we are not mentioning this, right? This term
Yes.
only will be there in both upper and lower limit. So I have write only that. Fine. Okay. Now cos 0 is 1 and cos n pi is what? -1 raised
Minus
to
1
n.
raised to n.
Yeah. So I'll write down it. So this is -1, right? Upon n square pi square. Simple. Okay. Anyone is having doubt in an? Any doubt? Fine. So A0, 3 by 4. An is 1 minus 1 raised to n upon n square pi square. Now quickly calculate the Bn yourself. The Bn. See, I asked you in a last lecture, you have to write down all the things in your notebook, right? Some you have to calculate. Anytime I'll ask you to share. Fine. Fx sine, obviously with dx, sine will goes n pi x by L dx. Fine. Put the value of L equal to 1. Okay, remember that L equal to 1. So no need to write this. -1 to 1. Fx, it is discontinuous. So directly I am not writing that. Sine n pi x dx. Now put the value. So it will be -1 to 0. My fx would be x at that place. Sine nx, n pi x dx, yes. Plus, you just calculate and write down into the chat box, or I'll unmute someone. Fine. Here it will be 2 sine n pi x dx. Okay, I have simplified your work, right? Fine. Okay, Bn is what? 2 by 3. 2. What you are writing, I'm not getting actually. One student have written the answer. 2 by 1. Okay, 3 into -1 raised to n. Okay, 2 minus. Okay, this is 2 minus. You have copy paste from somewhere, right? Upon n pi. Okay, correct one. Correct. Yeah. I want a one student. See the number 46. 46. Prathai. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Answer of this, or have you calculated?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So
X into minus cos n pi x
just a minute.
upon
Bn.
1 pi.
I am asking about Bn, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Tell me.
X,
You are
X.
audible. X.
X into minus cos n pi
Okay.
x upon.
Okay, you are okay. So first you are supposed to tell the integration of this thing, right? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
I am asking about direct answer because it's an easy one, right? Is it required to do again this thing because just we have done here in AN, right? All the step. So do you have a
Right?
final answer?
No, ma'am. Still
Okay,
calculating.
okay. Calculate it. No problem. Fine. Any other who are having answer? Okay, you are calculating. Okay, no problem. No problem. Yeah, Brushti. 18 number. Unmute yourself. Yeah. Sorry. I have muted you. Fine. Yeah. Brushti.
Yes, ma'am. Final answer is
Yeah.
2 minus 3
2. I'll write down. 2 minus 3
into minus 1 raised to n.
with 3 only, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, fine. Like this. Okay.
Upon n pi.
Upon n pi. Right. Correct one. So this is your answer, Bn. Okay. So just calculate it. Whoever not still calculated and just cross check, right? And if any doubt, na, you can ask in any lecture. Okay. Fine. Okay. So mostly all are giving this answer only in a chat box. So it is a correct one. Bn equal to 2 minus. Okay. So what happened here? We are having a minus L to L. Where it is? Minus L to L. In that one discontinuous function, we have not applied concept of odd and even. Fine. And we have calculated A0, AN and Bn. So this is first example. Now write down the second example. Fx equal to 2x. And again the interval is what? Minus 1 to 1 only. Fine. That means it is which type of function? Continuous or discontinuous? First I have to discontinuous. This is only one value, right? In this interval. So obviously this function is a what? Continuous function. Now, yeah, okay. What is 2L? What is 2L? Simple, same as the previous case. So just write down into the chat box, no problem. Yeah, 2. Because it's what I told you, right? Minus 1 to 1, 2 intervals. So obviously 2. And your L become what? 1. Now we will see the concept of odd and even. So I want one student to decide that this function is odd or even. Fine, I'll choose a one student. Yeah. Mihir, 34. Fx equal to 2x. Is it odd or even? 34 number.
Ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah. You are audible, Mihir. This function is odd or even. Fx equal to 2x. How to check the function is odd or even? Have you remember that? Just pick something. So I am having idea that you know or not, or the concept is clear to you or not, right? Mihir. Hello. Okay. Mute yourself, right? Yeah, the all are writing the function is what? Odd. Function is odd. Okay. Yes, the correct one. The function is odd. Because how you are checking? Just you have to check f of minus x. So if you put that, so you will get a minus 2x. So minus f of x. So when this you are getting f of minus x equal to minus fx, obviously your function will become a odd. Now, if the function is odd, so which value are supposed to be 0? Any one student? 25. Unmute yourself. 25.
Yes, ma'am.
If the function is odd, so which value are supposed to be 0? We have seen in minus pi to pi. Same rule is applied here also.
A0 is A0 and N.
Yeah, yeah. So function is odd, right? Function is odd. So we can say that A0 and AN both are 0. Fine. So just we need to calculate what? Only Bn. Okay. And our Fourier series will become what? Fourier series sigma n equal to 1 to infinity. See, these all steps are important. That's why I'm writing this. Okay. Otherwise, you can find out directly Bn. Sine n pi x by L. Okay. Don't forget to put this L because we are considering it in minus L to L. That's why. Okay. So Bn. Bn is obviously, now whenever you are applying what? Odd and even concept, at that time it will become what? 2 by L. And the integration is what? 0 to L. Fine. So fx dx. Sorry, fx sine pi x sine n pi x by L. Now, 2 by L, L is obviously 1, so only 2 is there. Now L is 1, so 0 to 1, fx is 2x, fine, and sine n pi x, L. L is 1, so I'm not writing that, fine. Okay, just calculate this. In this screen only we are going to calculate that. Yeah. Just write down, just take a few seconds to calculate Bn, fine, it's right. Okay, meanwhile, I'll check the chat box, fine. Okay. Okay, Mihir, no problem. Okay, fine. Okay, now you can post the answer. You can write down here the answer, fine. Okay, answer of Bn. One student has, screen is not visible. Is it like that? Just let me know in the chat box. Screen is visible, na? Okay, fine, it is visible. Fine, fine. Okay, answer now of Bn is what? Answer of Bn, 2x, right? So what? Again, you have to apply the general rule. Yes, Akhilesh, Neil, fine. Yeah, Neil. Neil? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. What you want to say? Answer
Minus
of this?
4.
Direct
Yes, ma'am.
answer, na? Okay, fine.
Yes.
See, if it is required to elaborate the whole sum, na, just let me know because it is same like the previous. Previously, it is what? X into sine n pi x, right? Here it's 2x into sine n pi x. So I'll not go in a detail one, right? That's why, because in last lecture also we have seen this type of sum only, n pi x by something, right? So if it's required, na, then you just let me know. I'll write all the steps because the aim is what? The more example we want to cover, right, in a lectures, because these are the lengthy example. So that's why I'm skipping this step because now you are having habit of doing this thing, right? Yeah, Neil. Bn. Yes, Neil. You have muted yourself. Okay. Unmute now. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Bn.
Minus 4
minus 4, fine.
into minus 1 raised to n
Okay.
upon n pi.
Okay, fine. Is it the correct one? Okay, minus 4. Yeah, yeah. Mostly all are getting this, right? Okay, fine. Minus 4. Okay. Now see, if you are referring book, na, then they have simplified what? This is minus 4. So they have considered it as a what? Minus 1. So they have written 4 into minus 1 raised to n plus 1 upon n pi. That is also correct one. Fine. So both are correct. Up to this you are doing, then also there is no problem. Fine. Okay. Yeah. So this is what, if you are going for the odd even, so your sum would be like this only. Only you need to calculate what? Bn. Okay. Now we'll cover quickly one another example of this only. Fx equal to x square minus 2 in the interval of minus 2 to 2. So first let me know the function is odd or even. Okay, function is odd or even. I want the answer for that. Okay, write down into the chat box. It's even. Yeah. Okay, obviously x square minus 2. Okay, so this function is even because here it's a square. That's why here it's a square. Okay, logically. So obviously this function is even. Now whenever the function is even, your bn will become what? 0. So you have to calculate what? A0 and an, two things you supposed to be find out. Now we'll talk about the L. What is the value of 2L first? 2L, write down into the chat box 4. Yes, Yagnik. Obviously 4 because 2 minus minus 2. Do in that way only, right? So it's easy to remember. L equal to 2. Fine. So we are having L. We have to find out the function is even. So we'll find out what? A0, An. Simple. The formula for A0 will directly write down. Okay. A0 equal to 1 by L, 0 to L now. Okay. 0 to L, fx dx. Now, it is what? 1 by L, L equal to 2. So obviously 1 by 2 and 0 to 2 because L is 2, fx is x square minus 2 dx. Okay, simple integration. 1 by 2, this is x cubed by 3 and 2x, fine, and 0 to 2. What is the answer? Final answer of A0, right? It's very simple. Minus 2 by 3. Yes, simple, right? It's a minus 2 by 3. When this is 0, lower limit, both are 0. So only upper limit. So that is what? 2 raised to 3, 8 by 3 minus 4. So calculation of this is A0. Now only An. Fine. Now only what? An. So An would be what? 2 by L. This you need to remember. Same as the minus pi to pi concept, right? 0 to L, fx cos n pi x by L dx. Now obviously L is what? 2. So this is going to be cancelled out. So we'll write 0 to 2. Your fx would be x square minus 2. Fine. And cos n pi x. Now divide by 2. Okay. N pi x divide by 2 dx. Yes. Yeah, Neil? Is there any problem, Neil?
No, ma'am, no, ma'am.
Okay, fine, fine. So, simple one, right? The even function, continuous function, and minus L to L. Okay. What is the value of An if you have calculated An? Okay, okay, we'll write down because it's okay. 0 to 2. This is your U and this is your V. Fine. And n pi x by 2. That you need to first term as it is x square minus 2. This is cos. So cos is what? Sine. N pi x by 2 upon. Normally we are writing in that way, right? Upon n pi by 2. But instead of that, I'll write what? 2 upon n pi in multiplication. Okay, minus second term. So second is 2x. So 2x. Now sine. So it's having what? Minus cos. Okay. So I'll write what? Minus cos n pi x divide by 2 into 4 upon n square pi square. Fine. Still third term will be there, plus 2, fine, into, this is cos again. So sine n pi x divide by 2 into, this is minus, right? Minus sign is as it is, 8 upon n cube pi cube. In last lecture, many are having problem in this. So I think it should be clear now, 0 to 2. Fine. Doubt? Now put a upper and lower limit. Yeah, you can. You can take a 2 common. No problem. Okay? Because here it, yeah. Before applying limit, you can take it common out. Then also your answer will remain same only, right? Okay, just 2 minutes. We'll finally calculate the AN and then we'll end the session, right? AN. If you are getting answer, just raise your hand or write into the chat box. Okay, 1 upon n square pi square. 1 upon n square pi square. No. Yeah. 16 cos n pi upon n square pi square. Yeah, that is correct one, right? Minus 1 raised to n is there. Yeah, 16 into minus 1 raised to n. Yeah, 16 into 3/4 students are getting this answer. 16 into cos n pi, that is minus 1 raised to n. You have to replace it and upon n square pi square. Okay, this is the answer. You just calculate it with applying upper and lower limit, but just remember this will be your answer, 16 into minus 1 raised to n, this. Okay, okay, fine. So now this is the sum of what? Minus L to L. You can apply a odd even concept and you can find out the Fourier series, right? In next lecture, we'll go for the last topic of this unit, that is half range sine and cosine series. That is also the important one, right? So if you are having any doubt in calculation, just make a note of this and we'll solve in the next lecture. Fine. Okay. Thank you. You can leave now. Okay.